Before you even start cooking, there are a few underrated tips that will really set you up for success. Today, let's walk through 4 essential knife skills that every beginner can master. First, let's stabilize the cutting board. Before you can start all your slicing and dicing, make sure your cutting board is nice and secure so you keep those fingers safe. Simply place a damp kitchen towel or a non-slip mat underneath to keep the cutting board from sliding around. Second, let's talk about the best way to stand while cutting. Square yourself up to the cutting board, maintaining good posture with your feet shoulder-width apart for stability. Think of your knife as an extension of your arm. Imagine a straight line running through your arm and wrist all the way to the tip of your blade. This stance will help reduce fatigue and enhance control over your knife, making your cuts more accurate. Third, let's master how to properly hold your knife with the pinch grip. This grip will not only increase your efficiency, but also help provide stability and control. Place your thumb and index fingers on either side of the blade, pinching the bolster. Then wrap the rest of your fingers around the handle. This will help you make precise cuts while avoiding any accidents. Finally, let's touch on how to protect your fingers when cutting. This is important for obvious reasons. We're going to ensure your fingertips are protected by using the claw technique. Tuck your fingertips, curling them under your knuckles to keep them away from the blade. Your knuckles will help guide the knife while staying in line with the edge of the blade. This method prevents accidental cuts and helps you maintain